If you ever wanted mask-proof makeup or felt that the beautiful makeup look that took hours for you to stamp on is fading away faster than you expected, then obviously makeup setting spray is the answer and what you need in life. Now, if you're new to the world of makeup setting spray, then keep watching to know all about this beneficial beauty product. If you have never heard of it before, think of setting spray as the top coat of makeup. Importantly, setting sprays are made up of 3 basic ingredients: water, alcohol, and a range of polymers to hold your makeup. And it's basically used at the end of your whole makeup routine. Believe it or not, today's makeup setting spray started its journey from a nightclub, when a cosmetics industry veteran realized that women struggled to keep their makeup put throughout the night. He came up with the awesome idea of makeup setting spray. So back then, the purpose of setting spray was simply to prevent the makeup from removing or smudging. Fast forward to present day. We now have a wide range of setting sprays that are designed for different types of skins and varying finishes. So now, after all the general knowledge of makeup setting spray, we will be coming back to how you will choose the perfect setting spray. And we'll give you some recommendations according to your skin type. Let's check them out. If you have dry skin, you can relate to your skin looking both dull and lifeless as the day goes. Sometimes it even drains hydration from your foundation and you will get patchy skin. In order to improve the longevity of makeup, it's essential to include products that have moisturizing or hydrating agents. In addition, you have to choose products that don't have alcohol, as it will dry up and irritate your skin. However, there are moisturizing setting sprays available on the market. Moisturizing sprays help to heal your dry skin while keeping makeup in place. The best makeup setting spray that gives you a dewy, hydrating, and long-lasting makeup is NYX's Professional Makeup Setting Spray Dewy. In the first place, it's a lightweight setting spray that gives you a dewy finish makeup look. In addition, it makes the makeup mask-proof, sweat-proof, and waterproof. Plus, it's a vegan and cruelty-free product for your convenience. Now, if you're someone who has oily skin, then you know that your makeup tends to fade away faster when you apply it. That's because of the oil that comes out from your face. So you will need a makeup setting spray that will control your shine and give you a matte finish. In this case, our recommended product for you is affordable Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go Setting Spray. In the first place, it's a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray that locks your makeup look. Additionally, its oil-free and quick-dry formula controls the shine of your face. The product also has a transparent color finish to it. There was a time when sensitive skin meant that you had to avoid makeup. Of course, makeup has come a long way since then. Now you can find setting sprays specifically designed for sensitive skin. As a matter of fact, you can be sensitive to many different ingredients, so it's always better to choose products that are gentle on the skin, as well as you need to avoid products that have any harsh chemicals or fragrance in them. MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus is a lightweight water-based setting spray that gives your skin an instant boost. Additionally, it has vitamin and minerals in it, which is infused with green tea, chamomile, and cucumber in it to gently soothe and refresh your skin. Not to mention, Max Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus is a dermatologist-tested and non-acnegenic, which makes it perfectly suitable for your sensitive skin. Moreover, people with oily and dry skin can also use it as a very soothing setting spray. Now, apart from these setting sprays, there are some products dedicated to special purposes such as setting sprays with SPF, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid. Let's take a look at some of them. One of the best lightweight setting sprays is Coola Makeup Setting Spray Organic Sunscreen SPF 30 that has SPF included in it. Furthermore, it has aloe vera, which soothes your skin, and cucumber to cool your skin. Not to mention that this is lightweight setting spray which can be used on any type of skin. So you need not worry whether it suits you or not. Urban Decay All-Nighter Ultra Glow Setting Spray is one of the most iconic and long-lasting setting sprays. It promises to give you a glowy and luminous look that stays all night and keeps your makeup intact. Uniquely, this setting spray is infused with hyaluronic acid and agave extract. These two ingredients moisturize your skin and give you a refreshed look while setting your makeup. So this setting spray is for you if you want that extra moisturized hold in the skin. Neutrogena Healthy Skin Radiance Setting Spray is an antioxidant-rich formula that lets your skin look radiant and refreshed. Moreover, the Rich Radiance Booster and Skin Perfector lock your makeup in weightlessly. Additionally, this setting spray is non-sticky and perfect for those who want peptides and antioxidants on the skin to maintain healthy and glowing skin even after makeup. That's all with our bonus recommendations and suggestions for choosing setting spray for long-lasting makeup. Hope you liked this video and find it insightful. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.